Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is Ask Muhammad Khan, and I again welcome you with an interesting topic, student. Yes, very interesting topic, and you will be surprised with that. That is excretion in plant. Yes, student, excretion is also found in plant, but we can't observe that. That excretion help the plants to get rid of from the waste material. Yes, students, the plants also get rid of from the waste material with the help of the different processes. Like you have read about the autotrophic mode of nutrition. In the autotrophic mode of nutrition, plants make their food, but in this process, they also remove some waste substances in the environment. Can you tell me the name of those waste substances? Yes, student? Those waste substances are water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. In this water and oxygen are substances that are removed by the plant with the help of a particular structure, and that structure is known as stomata. What we call them? Those tiny pores from which they remove the water and oxygen during photosynthesis. That particular structure that is found in the leaves is known as stomata. What we call them? Stomata. Stomata are the teeny pores from which they remove the water or oxygen. But just opposite of it, they also do the respiration, and in the respiration, what they do? They take the oxygen, and what they remove with the help of the stomata, that is carbon dioxide. So it is about the gaseous waste that is removed by the plant. Like the water is removed with the help of transpiration, and these waste like oxygen and carbon dioxide is removed in the different process like the photosynthesis and respiration. Now we come, there are another ways from which they also remove their waste. Like you eat the fruits, and in the fruits, students, plants stores their waste, their extra substances they store, and in the form of those fruit, all the waste substances are removed by the plant when those fruits are seeded down. So it is another way, means via fruit they also remove the waste. What is it? It is the attractive part of the plant, and what we call it? We call it flower. And in the flower there are the petals are found. With the help of those petals, they also remove their waste material. Next important thing is, there are the stem, and around the stem, what is found? There are the bark are found. So by peeling of the bark, means the removal of the bark, they also get rid of the waste. Means some waste are removed by the plants or the trees with the help of their bark. Many times around the bark of the tree you observe the gum-like substances. With the help of those gum-like substances, they also remove their waste. They also get rid from their waste, student. There is another process to get rid of the waste is the storing. Means some parts of the plant store the waste material in their different parts in the form of calcium pectate or calcium oxalate. So in the form of calcium pectate or calcium oxalate, they store the waste material. After that, there are the roots, and roots are generally found inside the ground. And around the roots, there is what is found, soil is found. So some waste substances are diffused around the roots. So roots also helps the plant in the getting rid of the waste. So it is about the excretion of plant, student. Now I am sure that you have cleared this interesting topic, and now you will also read it in your book. So thank you very much and have a nice day.